Imagine starting your day with this, a delicious, high-protein breakfast bowl that fuels your body and supports your health goals. Welcome back to Healing Bite, where every recipe is a step toward a stronger, healthier you. Today, we're making a power-packed breakfast that's quick, clean, and super satisfying. Let's take a look at the wholesome ingredients you'll need. Half a cup of cooked quinoa, a complete plant-based protein. Half a cup of black beans, rich in fiber and iron. 1 ripe avocado, full of healthy fats and potassium. A handful of cherry tomatoes, bursting with antioxidants. 2 large eggs, packed with protein and essential nutrients. A drizzle of olive oil. Salt, pepper, and chili flakes if you like it spicy. Each ingredient plays a role in boosting energy, supporting heart health, and keeping you full for hours. Start by slicing your avocado and having the cherry tomatoes. If you haven't cooked your quinoa yet, rinse it well and simmer it with double the amount of water until it's fluffy, about 12 minutes. But here's a tip. Make a batch for the week and keep it ready in your fridge. Now, scramble or fry 2 eggs, whichever you prefer. While that cooks, start building your bowl. Add a base of quinoa, then layer in your black beans, avocado slices, and juicy tomatoes. Finally, top it all with your eggs, and season with salt, pepper, and a splash of olive oil. You can also add chili flakes for some heat. So what makes this bowl a nutritional powerhouse? You're getting over 20 grams of protein. Plenty of fiber and healthy fats to keep you full. It's gluten-free, heart-healthy, and completely customizable. This meal supports muscle repair, improves digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's ideal for post-workout recovery, busy mornings, or even a light dinner. This breakfast bowl isn't just about eating clean, it's about fueling your best self. Simple ingredients, real nutrition, and flavor you'll look forward to. If you're ready to take charge of your health one bite at a time, subscribe to Healing Bite. We post weekly recipes that nourish your body and mind, fast, flavorful, and always feel good. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite bowl topping, and hit that bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and remember, healing starts with what's on your plate.